Noah's Fire Truck Adventure. Max let out a big bark and whimpered softly near the large sand pile in the park. Max is Noah's little dog. Noah played happily at the park with his moms. They kick the ball around and enjoy a nice picnic under the big tree. Max barked again, his tail wagging wildly. Noah and his moms rushed to where Max was. There was a very big sand heap next to the park. Max had started digging, and now Noah joined in too. "What's this?" asked Noah. The next moment, they heard something that sounded like a fire truck. Wee, wee! And they dug deeper. The sound of the fire truck grew louder and louder. "Wow!" said Noah, his mouth hanging open in excitement. Then Noah spotted a wheel. He picked it up and set it aside. "That's a big wheel." As they continued to dig, they uncovered more parts of the fire truck. "Oh no," said Noah's mom. "It looks broken." The sound of the fire truck has suddenly stopped. "That's strange," said Noah. "Why isn't it working?" Max barked again and held a screw in his mouth, helping to search for all the loose parts of the fire truck too. After a few hours of digging and searching for parts, they couldn't find anything else. The fire truck was as big as Noah, who was already 2 years old. "Let's go home," said his mommy, "and then we can see if we can clean the fire truck and get it working again." "Yes, yes," shouted Noah, very excited. At home, they cleaned the fire truck nicely. It was covered in mud and sand. "I think the truck has been through a lot of adventures," said Mommy. "Thank you, Max," said Noah as he petted his head. Max lay on the ground where they were cleaning it. After some tightening and screwing, the fire truck was ready again. And so the day quickly came to an end. When it was bedtime, of course the truck had to sleep with Noah in his bed. Noah held the truck and covered it with a blanket. The next morning, Noah woke up from a movement under his hand. "No, Max," he said, "I want to sleep." But it wasn't Max. It was his fire truck moving. "Hello," said the fire truck to Noah. Noah sat up straight in bed. "Hello," said Noah. "Yippee!" shouted Noah. His moms came into the room and saw the truck working again. Noah was so happy, and he played happily with his new truck buddy for the rest of the day.